Hello everyone. Thank you very much for having me here. I am Gautam Dongre from India, father of two sickle cell warriors and member of Sickle Cell Parent Association Nagpur. Living with two sickle cell children is very much difficult. My son is 16 and daughter is 10-year-old. We have been facing frequently episodes of pain crisis, hospitalizations since their childhood. Loss of economy, loss of academic education, and so on. As you know, sickle cell disease sufferer has to fight with frequent pain crisis, and every pain crisis matters. Whole family does grab in trouble, not only a family but the entire nation, because sickle cell disease is burden on nation. India having 18 million sickle cell disease carriers and 1.4 million patients. India is one of the biggest country having sickle cell disease population, which is very serious matter. Most of the warriors lives in tribal and remote areas. Due to this condition, accessibility and availability of treatment and medications is yet big challenge. Those warriors who are living in urban area are getting some medications and awareness, but maximum part of sickle cell disease communities of tribal areas are still deprived. We have been hearing that sickle cell disease in India is mild, but as a caregiver I see hundreds of sickle cell disease warriors are facing frequent and severe pain crisis, blood transfusion dependency, regular hospitalization, even rise in mortality due to comorbidity. Even my son has been taking hydroxyurea and other medications without fail. Then also he is facing pain crisis every next month. Sickle cell in India is not mild, is more severe, my friend. We need quality of life and near normal life. For that, accessibility and availability of hydroxyurea and all necessary medications requires. Those patients who are not responding to hydroxyurea, they need to be new drugs and therapy. Psychosocial support is also required. Most of the teenagers get depressed due to their slow health progress and stigmatization. They must need strong welfare policies by government to get equal opportunity in all aspects. Sickle cell disease is a global health issue. We have to fight with together. Our enemy is one and mission is also one. That is eradication of cruel SCD from this beautiful planet. Everybody has equal rights to live happily in this earth. Most important, genotype test should be mandatory while pregnancy. This is the only key by which we can prevent sickle cell disease new birth. So let's contribute for making sickle cell disease free world. Thank you very much to all.